Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Anis binti Muhammad Fauzai. My matric number is 253194. Today, I want to represent about low fidelity requirement of E-code food system, Project 1. First of all, I want to present about list requirement specification. The first is list requirement is for user or admin is register. The first mandatory for this system is register. A new user must register before login into ECFC. User to key in their details such as user ID, password, name, email and phone number. The second mandatory is login. User and admin must log in into ECFC by keying the user ID and password. If the user or admin forgot password, they have to key in their email and user ID to recover their ID and password. Next is the mandatory of insert code. User will be able to insert code. Next, user to delete the code. Okay, the last of the mandatory of admin is manage code. The system will be able to display a manage code page in the system. Admin can choose user request and admin can approve or dislike the request. And the next is admin will be able to confirm the request. Okay, next is the use case diagram. This is the use case diagram. This project has 5 use case diagram, and I will explain detail about this use case. Okay, first is user and admin. User should register of the system when they want to log in the system. The second is login. User and admin should log in the login page, the website, the web to open the system. And then the insert code. Insert code if the user and traveler. User can delete the code if they want to delete the code after they want insert the wrong code. And the last is the manage code. Manage code is for admin. Admin can choose user request of code if when user send the code. Next is the system of ECFC. This is the system of the E-code food. Before user log in the website, user should key in the account first. Okay, first user need to open the E-code food system. User need to click register button if they don't have an account. User need to fill in all their details such as user ID, password, name, username, email and phone number. Then click the register button. For the login page, user must enter user ID and password. Then click the login button. If the user forget the password, the user must click forgot their password on the login page. Next, the user will need to enter a new password and confirmation password, then click the reset button. This is the home page of eCode Food System. Users and admin can click at the menu bar of the dashboard, which contain the functionalities requirements such as insert code and manage code. If he or she a user, they must click insert code, and if he or she are admin, they should click manage code. When clicking home, there is the general information about this system. This home page will display about information of eCode Food System. Next is the insert code page. User will click the insert code at menu bar on the dashboard. User should key in what they want to know about code or food. Then click send button for send it code or food. Like user key in the code such as E110 and they click button send. If they insert wrong code, they can click delete button. Then they can insert the new code and click the send button again to get the information about the code. The system will display all about code. Display about code, names and color like this, and then system will highlight the code what user request. After that, system will display about addition information like ingredient of their code, or what happened the code, or example of what code have in food. This is the manage code page. Admin will click the manage code at menu bar on the dashboard. Admin can select a button to choose user request. For choose user request the code, then admin can click approve or dislike button, and like this system will display about username request, code request and approve or dislike. So admin can see the username, and if admin want to approve, they approve. If when they dislike, they will click button dislike. And then this is the logout page. User and admin can click the logout button if they want to exit the system. That's all for me, and thank you.